Welcome to the channel. AI is changing the game, and if you're not using it to make money, you're missing out. In this video, I'll show you how to leverage AI for online business success, whether it's AI-generated content, automation, or AI-powered investment tools. The future is here, and the opportunities are endless. So hit that like button, and let's get started. Artificial intelligence is transforming the way people make money online. From AI-generated content to automation and AI-powered investment tools, businesses and individuals are leveraging cutting-edge technology to create new income streams. As AI continues to evolve, it presents endless opportunities for entrepreneurs to innovate and capitalize on emerging trends. Here's how you can make money with AI and position yourself for success in the future of online business. 10. The future of AI and online business. The integration of AI into online business is only beginning. As technology advances, AI will play a crucial role in e-commerce, marketing, finance, and content creation. Businesses that embrace AI will gain a competitive advantage, streamlining operations and improving efficiency. Entrepreneurs who stay ahead of AI trends and learn how to implement AI-driven strategies will be well-positioned for long-term success. AI will continue to shape business models, making automation, data analysis, and AI-powered decision-making essential for future enterprises. 9. AI-powered business automation. AI-driven automation tools help businesses optimize workflows and reduce manual labor. From chatbots handling customer service inquiries to AI-powered email marketing campaigns, automation enhances efficiency. Entrepreneurs can use AI tools like Zapier, ChatGPT, and Jasper AI to streamline tasks, scale their businesses, and improve customer experience while reducing operational costs. AI is also being used to analyze consumer behavior, predict trends, and make strategic recommendations, allowing businesses to make data-backed decisions and increase profitability. 8. AI-generated content monetization. AI-powered tools such as Jasper, Copy.ai, and WriteSonic enable users to create high-quality content, including blog posts, product descriptions, and ad copies. Businesses and freelancers can monetize AI-generated content by offering writing services, selling AI-generated ebooks, or running AI-assisted content marketing agencies. Platforms like Medium, Substack, and LinkedIn also allow users to generate revenue through AI-enhanced articles. Additionally, AI can assist in generating video scripts, podcasts, and newsletters, further expanding monetization opportunities. 7. AI-powered investing and trading. AI-driven investment tools and trading bots are revolutionizing the stock market, cryptocurrency, and forex trading. Platforms like Wealthfront, Trade Ideas, and Numerai use AI algorithms to analyze market trends and execute trades automatically. By leveraging AI-powered trading strategies, investors can make data-driven decisions and optimize their portfolios for better returns. AI can also identify trading patterns, automate risk management, and suggest profitable investment opportunities, reducing human error and increasing efficiency in financial markets. 6. AI-based online courses and coaching. With AI's ability to analyze trends and generate insights, educators and entrepreneurs can create AI-powered online courses. AI tools help tailor learning experiences, making content more interactive and personalized. Platforms like Teachable, Udemy, and Kajabi offer AI-powered features that help course creators maximize engagement and revenue. AI-driven learning assistants can provide students with personalized feedback, quizzes, and performance tracking, enhancing the educational experience and boosting course completion rates. 5. AI in e-commerce and dropshipping. AI enhances e-commerce by offering intelligent product recommendations, chatbots for customer support, and AI-driven inventory management. Entrepreneurs can use AI tools to analyze consumer behavior, optimize pricing strategies, and improve ad targeting. AI-powered tools like Shopify's Kit, Persado, and ChatGPT can help dropshipping store owners maximize sales and efficiency. AI is also being used to automate order processing, fraud detection, and supply chain management, making e-commerce businesses more profitable and scalable. 4. AI for YouTube and video creation. AI tools like Pictory, Synthesia, and Lumen 5 make it easy to create high-quality videos without professional editing skills. AI-generated voices, automated video scripts, and AI-powered editing help content creators scale their YouTube channels or sell video production services. Monetization comes through YouTube ads, brand sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. AI-powered analytics tools can also help creators optimize their content strategy by identifying trending topics, audience preferences, and engagement patterns. 3. AI-powered SEO and digital marketing. AI is revolutionizing digital marketing by improving search engine optimization, SEO, PPC advertising, and social media strategies. Tools like Surfer SEO, ClearScope, and RankBrain help businesses optimize content for better rankings. AI-driven advertising platforms use machine learning to optimize ad spend and target the right audience, increasing conversion rates and revenue. AI can also analyze customer sentiment, generate automated social media posts, and track ad performance in real time, helping businesses refine their marketing strategies. 2. AI in affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketers are leveraging AI to analyze market trends, automate content creation, and improve targeting. AI-powered tools help optimize affiliate campaigns by predicting customer behavior and personalizing offers. AI-driven chatbots and virtual assistants can also boost conversion rates by engaging with users and recommending products more effectively. AI-generated product reviews, comparison articles, and dynamic ad placements help affiliate marketers increase their revenue potential. 1. AI and freelancing opportunities. Freelancers can harness AI to offer specialized services such as AI-assisted content writing, chatbot development, AI-generated design, and data analysis. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and People Per Hour are seeing increased demand for AI-related gigs. By positioning themselves as AI-savvy freelancers, individuals can tap into a growing market and secure high-paying projects. AI-powered tools enable freelancers to enhance their efficiency, expand their service offerings, and attract more clients in competitive industries. Conclusion: AI is reshaping the online business landscape, providing entrepreneurs with countless ways to generate income. Whether through ad-driven automation, content creation, trading, or digital marketing, there are numerous opportunities to leverage AI for financial success. And that's how you can start making money with AI. Whether you're using it for content creation, automation, or investing, AI is a powerful tool for boosting your income. Which AI method are you most excited to try? Drop a comment below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more money-making tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.